Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to access your third-party app sites which access your Google account. So let's go to Google first or Gmail first. Just right here, Gmail. Now log into your Gmail account. Now then you'll find here on top right corner your profile icon, this one. Just click on this, then click on manage your Google account. Then go to security, this one. Scroll down and you'll find your connections with third-party application. I'm showing you again this one, your connections to third-party apps and services. Just click on this, click on see all connections. You'll find all of your apps and services which is third-party associated with Google. Now if you want to remove this specific one, just choose one first, like this one, mail meteor. I want to remove this. Just click on this, what you want to remove, then scroll down and you'll find this, delete all connection with mail meteor. Just click on this and make it confirm. You're done. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.